The outstanding exhibition of achievements that adorns the United Arab Emirates' heritage started with a simple ambition: to build a prospering nation that will rise to the forefront of global progress while upholding its beloved traditions. The rapid development of the country has been truly breathtaking. It is this dedication, strength, and desire for excellence that has epitomized every step of this country's success story. UNB's progress over time has been a story of remarkable growth, achievement, and success that has complemented the growth of the UAE during the same period. The rapid growth of the UAE has produced a new generation of highly skilled and educated local professionals and attracted a large and diverse population of expatriates into the country. This boom of international presence has turned the UAE into a vibrant mosaic of cultures, nationalities, and perspectives. UNB set out to not only absorb this enlarged customer base, but also to support and care for them in their quest for financial success and lifestyle fulfillment. UNB's customer base grew substantially over the last decade, with a continuously improving service standard as witnessed by its regular customer satisfaction ratings. By combining cutting-edge technology and total customer centricity, UNB offers innovative products and services to the country's increasingly sophisticated retail, commercial, and corporate sectors. And by expanding our branch network across the UAE, we have made access to our services even more convenient. To ensure a comfortable and unique banking experience, we have modernized our branches, making them more efficient, user-friendly, and centered around our customers' needs. With our alternate delivery channels such as ATMs, call centers, telephone and internet banking, we have provided convenience and helped our customers take control of their finances. Every aspect of UAE life has been affected by progress, from the country's natural resources, financial sectors and markets, real estate and infrastructure, to its high-profile leisure and tourism industries. With every socio-economic development, UNB has broadened its offerings to service the needs of a diverse range of customers. The Union Brokerage Company was one of the first brokerage firms in the country and is the region's only licensed NASDAQ Dubai General Clearing member. It provides clients with in-depth market analysis and a wealth of brokerage facilities and services. UBC is also the first brokerage company to be certified to ISO 9001-2008 standards in the Middle East. To serve the region's growing high net worth individuals, UNB's private and investment banking offerings have grown in range and sophistication, whilst upholding the highest standards of integrity and customer focus. Islamic finance has over recent years become the highest growth sector within the UAE's financial services market. In order to service this growing sector, UNB established Al Wafaq Finance Company, its majority-owned subsidiary, to deliver Sharia-compliant solutions of the highest standard. The UAE boasts some of the region's most extraordinary real estate projects and tourism destinations. UNB has worked diligently alongside these industries' most prominent names and helped bring their visions to life. As a strong supporter of the country's industrial expansion drive, UNB has maintained a significant regional and global presence in a number of key financial hubs. With a growing number of branches across Egypt, the bank's majority-owned subsidiary, UNB Egypt, offers a broad range of corporate, SME, and retail banking services and products. UNB Egypt is currently on an ambitious expansion initiative to meet the growing needs of the 15th most populous country in the world. UNB is currently the only UAE bank to hold the coveted Category 1 branch license from the Qatar Financial Center Regulatory Authority. This certification affords UNB and its customers in Qatar a broad range of facilities and services. Qatar continues to enjoy one of the highest GDP growth rates in the Middle East. In late 2007, UNB became the first bank from the UAE to receive an approval from the China Banking Regulatory Commission to establish a representative office in China, the world's second largest economy. Operating from the iconic Shanghai World Financial Center building, UNB's Shanghai Representative Office is committed to supporting the development of China-Middle Eastern trade and investment. The Central Bank of Kuwait has approved plans for opening a new branch in Kuwait. The UNB branch in Kuwait will soon become operational. This step signifies another milestone in UNB's plans for expansion in the GCC. With strategic locations in the region and beyond, UNB aims to enhance its presence with a phased penetration into international markets. UNB's constant climb in returns and earnings has mirrored the economic growth in the UAE. Much of our success is due to a focused approach in enhancing corporate and retail banking businesses, along with increasing our presence in new markets and segments. This has resulted in an exponential growth in our business sheets, loans, and deposits volumes. UNB has a diversified methodology in harvesting revenue streams. This has yielded in an income statement track record that is marked with continuous profitability. And by enforcing prudent lending and risk management policies, along with a high coverage ratio, we have managed to maintain a solid financial position. Under His Highness Sheikh Nahyan Mubarak Al Nahyan, UNB Group Chairman's guidance and board members' direction and CEO's leadership, UNB has progressed and has delivered outstanding financial results based on a robust customer-focused business model. As a global vanguard, the UAE is home to some of the world's most prestigious accolades in countless fields, from architectural feats to cultural integration. Union National Bank, too, has consecutively surpassed standards of excellence and improved the industry's levels of quality, service, and professionalism. In June 2005, UNB's ISO certification was renewed for its entire operations across all functions, reflecting UNB's continued support to quality initiatives. Another milestone was the winning of the prestigious Sheikh Khalifa Excellence Award Gold category in 2005 with the highest score in awards history. In 2006, the bank's outstanding performances earned it the renowned Dubai Quality Award in the financial sector for business excellence. This further solidified UNB's commitment to service and industry leading quality. During 2008, UNB's ISO 9001 certification was renewed once again with additional scope, including pay offices, along with private banking and wealth management. Adding to this string of successes, UNB also won the coveted Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Business Award 2008 in the finance category. In 2009, UNB became the first bank in the region to be certified to the ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System Standards by Lloyd's Register Quality Assurance. The certification covers the bank's complete range of products and services across corporate, retail, international, treasury and investment, private banking and wealth management, together with all support functions across an extensive network of banking centers and alternate delivery channels throughout the UAE. UNB has demonstrated tremendous consistency in the field of quality and business excellence by becoming the first ever organization to receive its second Gold Award at the 2009 Sheikh Khalifa Excellence Awards. The Gold Award was presented to UNB in a glittering ceremony at the Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Center. UNB also received the Dubai Quality Award for its performance in 2009. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, presented this prestigious award to UNB. This was the second time that UNB received this recognition, the first being in 2005. In 2010, UNB was the proud recipient of the Bank of the Year Award, a prestigious award featured at the Arabian Business Achievements Awards. The decisive criteria included elements such as overall performance of the organization, leadership strategic skills, as well as community and society initiatives. UNB accepted the award at an ornate ceremony held at the Armani Hotel in Dubai's famous Burj Khalifa. In 2010, Mr. Mohammed Nasser Abdeen also received the prestigious CEO Middle East Award 2010 in the banking category. In 2011, UNB was the recipient of the distinguished Superbrands Award. The recognition attests to the continuous strive for excellence that has epitomized UNB's performance over the years. After evaluating through a list of 3,000 other brands in the UAE, the Superbrand Council conferred UNB the Superbrand status in 2011. This honor was further extended by UNB becoming a Superbrand in 2012 as well. UNB became the first commercial bank in the world to be certified by MS Lloyd's Register Quality Assurance Limited to the Integrated Management System, IMS, comprising of 3 standards: ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSAS 18001. This certificate was presented to His Excellency Ahmed Saeed Al-Badi, a UNB board member, by Mr. Bassem Obeid, Area Manager for LRQA Middle East and Africa, in a ceremony held at UNB headquarters. Union National Bank was named the winner of the Best Domestic Retail Bank Award at the 2011 Banker Middle East Industry Awards. In late 2011, Union National Bank was recognized with 3 awards at the 8th International Business Awards, also known as the Stevie Awards. Hosted at the Emirates Palace, UNB won the coveted People's Choice Stevie Award for Favorite Company in the Financial Services category. Additionally, it won Stevie Distinguished Honorees in 2 categories: Company of the Year as well as Executive of the Year in the Financial Services category. In yet another global recognition, UNB was named by the Asian Leadership Awards in 2011 as the Dream Company to Work For. In recognition of its efforts to support educational initiatives, UNB received the Tamayuz Award from His Highness Sheikh Nahyan Mubarak Al Nahyan, Minister of Higher Education and Scientific Research. The award was bestowed on UNB for its distinguished contributions towards the Higher College of Technology. In December 2011, UNB became the first bank from the Arab region to win the distinguished Golden Award for Quality from the Arab Administrative Development Organization member of the Arab League and the Tatweej Academy for Excellence and Quality. UNB also won the 2011 Brand Leadership Award at the World Brand Congress event held in Mumbai, India. UNB was also ranked amongst the top 50 safest banks in emerging markets by Global Finance. UNB has been ranked amongst the top 10 companies in the UAE in the 2012 Forbes Top Listed Companies ranking in the UAE. UNB was felicitated at a ceremony organized by Forbes Middle East and received a trophy from the chief guest, the Director General of the Dubai Government Media Office.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Welcome to the European Business Assembly Socrates Awards here this evening at the Institute of Directors, Pall Mall. Welcome one and all. God bless you all. God save the Queen. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Welcome to Mr. Abdeen from the United Emirates.
Thank you.
Sir, welcome to the Institute of Directors, the Socrates Awards, European Business Assembly this evening here in Pall Mall, London.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your day.
UNB received the prestigious International Socrates Award for Best Enterprise from the Europe Business Assembly in the United Kingdom. Mr. Mohammed Nasser Abdeen, UNB CEO, was also awarded the Best Manager of the Year award at the glittering ceremony. The awards were presented to UNB at the Socrates Awards ceremony held in London in March 2012. UNB won 2 awards at the Banker Middle East Product Awards 2012, Best SME Product for the UNB Medic Loan, Best Savings Product for the UNB Smart Account Product, and the awards were presented to UNB at the 2012 Banker Middle East Product Awards ceremony. UNB also received the European Award for Best Practices 2012 in the Gold category from the European Society of Quality and Research. The award was presented to UNB at a ceremony held in Amsterdam in April 2012. UNB won the coveted Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Business Award 2011 in the finance category. This was the second time that UNB received this recognition, the first being in 2008. Clearly, after having developed an enviable foundation, the UAE has positioned itself admirably within the region and the world as it continues its growth and development well into the foreseeable future. Of one thing, we can be certain: Union National Bank will continue enhancing its business models with determination and shall take pride in supporting the development of the United Arab Emirates.